On this mini course we'll make this interior. I'll show you all the stages of creating, such as modeling, lighting, materials and post-production. Watch very carefully to achieve the same result. So let's get started. First lesson, modeling. First of all, let's select the units of the measurement. Customize, unit setup, select millimeters. Next, right-click on empty space in the toolbar, select axis constraints. Navigate on dots and place in the toolbar. Activate last button. Here you can see all my shortcuts. Let's upload a floor plan now. File, import, merge, select from the folder. Maximize top viewport. Alt W. Turn off grid, press G. Activate snap 3, hold the mouse button to choose it. Select box, create with snap. Height 1875. Switch to perspective, press P. Turn off brackets, Shift J. Change the color to gray. Right-click, convert to editable poly. Choose polygon, select it in the viewport. Activate Move tool. Shift held down and drag. Snap to the plan. Press F4 to see all the edges. If your 3ds Max version lower than 2022, use Extrude in the settings. Increase amount, then drag to the point. I will continue to create walls with Shift. Select another polygon, highlight other arrow and continue to build. Again, pick another polygon and highlight the needed arrow. Use Shift to create new polygons. Select another polygon and extrude it. Pick inner polygon, hold Ctrl and select one more polygon. Press Bridge. Switch to Edge. Hold mouse button and select edges with frame on the one side. Hold Ctrl and select on the other side. Connect settings. We need one loop. Press OK. Go to the front view, switch to vertex. Select vertices in the viewport, set 3210 by Z coordinate. Switch to edge. Select edges, connect. Select another edges, connect. Double-click on the edge to select all loop. Select edge in constraints. It's very important. Switch to the top view. Move loop with snap according to the plan. Pick another loop and move it. Return constraints to none. Double-click on the edge to select all loop, hold Ctrl, double-click on the inner edge, ring and connect. Now we need to make this line straight. Click on that of the Make Planar function. Double-click on the edge, set 1820 by Z. Now do the same with the inner loop. Switch to polygon, select two polygons with Ctrl, press Bridge to create window opening. Select bottom, press Delete. If you are working in 2022 Max or higher, you can use Shift and drag for the same result. Let me show you. Pick two inner polygons, Shift held down and drag. Same as we did for extruding, but move it farther from the walls. And no extra polygons left in the bottom. Let's do the same with another window. Select, Shift held down and drag. On this wall we need a small window. Switch to edge, one click on the wall edge, ring, connect. This time we need two loops. Double-click on the top edge, set 1300 by Z. Now bottom loop, set 1050. Switch to polygon, select undo the bridge with Shift. Click on editable poly to exit polygons. Now we'll create panels. Switch to the front view, go to Create tab, choose Shapes, select rectangle. Activate Snap 3. Create one. Switch to the top view, press T. Move tool, drag it to the other side. Switch to the front view, press F. Go to Modify tab, select Floor Generator. It's an external plugin that you can install separately. After installation you can find it in Modify list. Change direction to 90, length 3000, width 100, mean offset 0, extrude 2, bevel also 2. Switch to the top view, select Rotate, activate Angle Snap, Shift held down and rotate. Choose Copy. Now move with snap to the wall. Right-click on the Move tool, move it by X. This panel is too long. Go down to Rectangle, add Edit Spline. You can find it in the Modify list. Open it, pick Vertex, select in the viewport and move with the snap. Exit Vertex and back to the Floor Generator. We have created panels for two walls. Now we'll do floor. Switch to the top view, Create tab, select Rectangle. Create it with a snap. Go to Modify, add Floor Generator. Length 1900, width 2050, mean offset 20, extrude 19, bevel 1.5. Set 0 by Z coordinate. As you can see, floor is not start from 0 coordinate. Put extrude and bevel together. That negative amount we have to set in Z coordinate. Set minus 20.5. Now it's correct. Select panels and the floor, change color. Now we'll do small panel in the window opening. Select standard primitive box, create it with snap. Height 8. Switch to the front view, lift it up. Change its color. Next, we'll create base under floor. Go to the top view, create new box. Height -100. Set -20.5 by Z. Change the color. We can add furniture now. File, Import, Merge, Open File. Press All. Now we'll place all the objects according to the plan. Start with Windows. Rotate to 90 degrees. Now carpet and armchair. And last, cabinet with decor. Rotate to 90 degrees and move. It's time to build ceiling. Select walls, go to Modify tab, Polygon, select with Ctrl, Detach, tick Detach as clone box. Exit polygons. Select new object, check the name, go to Edge, double-click, move tool, hold Shift and drag. Snap to the point. Exit Edge. Add Shell modifier. You can find it in Modify list. Outer amount 20. Ceiling is ready. Select ceiling, right-click, Object Properties, Displays box. Now you can see through it. Switch to the top view. Open Render Setup, select Corona as render system. Create tab, Camera, Corona camera, turn off snap. Create camera on the top view. Open Render Setup, Command tab, set the size of the frame. Select Custom from the list. Width 2250, height 3000. Press Lock. Change perspective view to camera. You can press C. Hold Shift, press mouse wheel and lift up. Press Shift F to activate frame size. Click Camera, select it. Modify tab, select focal millimeters. Set 50. Lift up camera more. Press Alt Z and zoom in. Customize your camera with these movements. Move camera to the left on the top view. Activate automatic vertical tilt, set horizontal 0.02. Put camera a little down, select target and move it. A little more corrections and camera is ready. That's it for today. In the next lesson we'll set up lighting.